Here's what the? Okay, first of all, just a random pair of dumbwaiters. Oh, we got a comm failure. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, picture that. That's a cool button. Oh my god, look at the buttons on this. Okay, we're on 1. I don't see there was a basement. Yeah, we're just on 1. Alright, 2.
Second floor.
Who talks? Oh, we got a normal indicator over there. Watch this one.
Third floor.
That's such a cool chime.
Going up.
Alright, we'll go to, let's go back up to 2.
Floor selected for the restricted floor.
This is one of the newer stores. This is a really nice elevator, actually. I mean, it's Mitsubishi, so you can't really go wrong with them.
Second floor.
Those are such cool buttons. That's so cool. I love how there's just random dumbwaiters here. That's cool.